Hello boys and girls, and welcome to a brand new week of flipped videos. We are going to go ahead and get started. This one is going to help you prepare for your place value opportunity. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to be working on number forms, which we have talked about in the past, and we are going to talk about standard form, written form, and expanded form. Now, standard form is just like this when it's in numbers, so that's pretty straightforward. Written form is when it's in words, so we're going to take this number and we're going to put it in words. So let's go ahead and get started. What I like to do is I like to box off each period, each time in between the commas. So I have a period here, I have a period here, it's between the commas, and I've got a period here. That's just going to help me kind of remember it as I'm writing it down what it is. So I see that I have an 8 and it's in the millions period, so it's 8 million. Then I see I'm in my next period, and remember I just read it just like normal, so it's 675, and it's in the thousands period, so I write 1,000. And of course I'm going to run out of room. So, and then I say 300, comma there, 309. I don't say and anywhere in that because and means there's a decimal point, and there is no decimal point in that. So that's how I do written form. If I want to do expanded form, what I like to do is I like to go up and I like to label each place value. So this is my ones, this is my tens, this is my hundreds, this is my thousands, this is my 10,000s, this is my 100,000s, and this is my millions. That's just going to help me with all my different expanded form things. So for expanded form, that's one where we have the parentheses, and I'll just take my first digit, which is my 8 times, and I see that it's in the millions place value, so times 1 million, close the parentheses, plus, after I close my parentheses, I like to cross off the number so I know I'm done with it, and then I'll switch to my next number, which is my 6. So I know that it is parentheses 6 times, it's in the 100,000s place, so 100,000, close my parentheses, plus sign, cross off the 6, I know I'm done with it. Repeat this same process, 7 times, and I didn't leave myself enough room, so I'll go drop to my next line, 10,000, close the parentheses, plus, cross off my 7. My next digit is my 5, 5 times, and that's in the thousands place, 1,000, close parentheses, plus 5. Next digit is 3 times 100, because it's in the 100s place, close the parentheses, plus sign, cross it off. I come to a 0, so I don't actually need to do anything for that because the value is 0, so I can just cross that off. And then I come to my last one, which is 9 times 1, close the parentheses, nothing left, cross it off. Once I've crossed off every single digit, I know that I am correct, and I've done every single number. So it's really easy. You need to label each place value, then you just write the digit times whichever place value it's in. Alright, the flip side of this is when they give you the expanded form and you need to put it in written form or standard form. So what I do here is I like to look how many different parentheses sets I have. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I'm going to assume that there are 7 different spots, so I'll need 7 different lines to fill this in. That's not going to be perfect every time because sometimes you might have something that is missing, but we'll find out if we need that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next thing I'll do is I'll label my place values. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, 1,000s place, 10,000s place, 100,000s place, and 1,000,000s place. Now all I need to do is go back and fill these in. So in my 1,000,000s place, which is down here, is a 7. So I'll go and I'll put a 7 there. Here I will see that's the 100,000s place, and there's a 3. Here's the 10,000s place, and there's a 1, so that goes in the 10,000s place. Here is the 1,000s place, which is down here, so that is my 9. Here's my 100s place, 100s place here, that's a 1. In the tens place up there, I see there's a tens place there. And in the ones place, I see a 4. So we get 7,319,124, which if you look at that, it is 7/31/91, which is my birthday, and 24 is how old I am. That's just a little clever thing I did there. So now I'm going to put that into written form, which I want you to pause it here, put that into written form. Great. So I'm going to box out my periods, which will just help me. And let's go with a green there. Alright, so I have 7 million, comma, 319,000, comma, 100 24. Hopefully that's what you got. And let's bring that to our last example. For these two, you actually have two examples. I want you, for this first one, I gave you expanded form, so I want you to put it in written form and standard form. And the next one, I want you to put it in standard form and expanded form. I always recommend putting it into standard form first, and then expand it from there. So don't forget to, if you need to, review the video and bring these ones to school. I will see you tomorrow.